Hello friends, myself Chetan. I'll be your instructor for the this React.js course, and we'll start with the React.js, and we'll see all the topics in the React.js. What is Redux? What is how we can authenticate the application and all that. So now the first question comes in our mind that what is React.js? So React.js is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. And now then we come to the second question. So why we should use React? So React is used to develop the single page applications like Netflix, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp web uses React.js. So what is a single page application? So single page application is where you don't actually navigate to any other page. Whenever you click to any menu or go to want to go to from one page to another page, it actually not refresh the page. You actually feels like it is navigating, but it is not navigating. We are on the same page, and it is comparatively faster to the traditional applications. You feel like you are using a mobile application, and the response is very quick. So now that nowadays so many companies uses React.js, and React is very in trend. So in the next lecture, we'll see how we can install the npm and what are the packages required for that, and we'll start with our first program in the React.js. Thank you.